You gonna do Team Ray?
No.
What you gonna do first? You gonna do. You gotta do the. Yeah.
He's about through catching them dirty tickets yet. There's all hell, but I need to go roll me again. Where's all the beer at? I don't know exactly where it's at, but hell, buddy, you fucking got the killer, man. Where's all the killer at? Been 3 or 4 seconds, man. There's a girl in Germany, man, talking about trauma surgery, man. They got all the killer, man. Fucking Xanax, damn methadone. Fuck. It took so much to kill a horse, but he still ain't dead. The end, man. That's all I know.
You gotta do Caleb now.
I know. I ain't Caleb, man.
No, you gotta do Caleb. Back up there. You gotta do Caleb. Damn, that's the funniest one.
I can't shout that down.
Just do it. I don't wanna walk.
I don't want to walk.
Why not?
Cause my legs are sore.
Ah, bull.
Hey, do Daniel.
I tell you, the white boys, they get to picking rough on your fingers, boys. I tell you that. All that damn shit, yeah, Psycho, Michael, yeah, ain't worth a shit. Even said I couldn't lift them logs, fuck. I tug him, lift them, stack them, all kinds of damn shit with them. That damn thing on my face, man.